In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into multiple Microsoft Team accounts. If you use more than one Teams account for work, school, or different organizations, being able to add another account can make switching between them much easier. Instead of signing out every time you need to access a different workspace, Microsoft Teams gives you a simple way to add another account directly inside the app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option and what to expect during the sign-in process. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams app. Make sure you're already inside the desktop or app version of Teams, since that's where you'll manage multiple accounts most easily. Once the app is open, give it a moment to fully load so all profile options are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the Teams window and click on your avatar or profile picture. This is where Teams keeps your account-related settings and options. If you don't have a profile image set, you may see your initials instead. Either way, clicking that icon will open the account menu. From that menu, select the option that says Add Another Account. This tells Teams that you want to connect an additional login without removing the one you're already using. It's a useful feature if you regularly move between separate Teams environments and want faster access to each one. After that, enter your login credentials for the additional account and follow the verification prompts that appear on screen. Depending on your organization's security settings, this may include entering your email address and password, approving a sign-in request, or completing a multi-factor authentication step. Just follow each prompt carefully until the sign-in is complete. Once verification is finished, the new account will be added to Teams, and you should be able to access it from your profile area. If you ever need to switch between accounts later, you can usually return to that same avatar menu and choose the account you want to use. This saves time and helps keep your different workspaces organized. One helpful tip is to make sure you're entering the correct credentials for the account you want to add, especially if you manage several similar logins. If a verification screen appears, don't rush through it. Taking a moment to confirm the account details can prevent sign-in issues. And that's it. You now know how to log into multiple Microsoft Team accounts using the built-in account menu in the Teams app.